Q96 Morning Show. That is Tracy Bird and Watermelon Crawl. JJ with you. Your Whistler Chevrolet time is 7:38. On the phone this morning, it's Wednesday. That means it's another edition of Tech Talk with our friends from All West Communications. And we have Brian and Brian on the phone. How you guys doing today?
Great.
Good. How you doing, JJ?
I'm doing fantastic. So, how are you guys doing over there?
Busy as always. This is construction season, and we've got this big upgrade plan for Rock Springs, so we've been very busy with the weather turning.
Yeah, awesome. Okay. So we are talking today about cutting the cord and how it isn't just for cable TV, because there are reasons for cutting the cord to your computer and going wireless. So a lot of people cutting the cord?
Yeah, a lot of people are cutting the cord, going away from wired routers and getting the wireless routers that can connect to every wireless device you have in your home.
Yeah, because, I mean, most people are used to, hey, you have your PC or one or two PCs in your house, and you got to, be plugged straight into that router, but not so much anymore. I mean, do you have to have that one computer, or can you be completely cordless?
Well, the way it is anymore is the world has become simplistic. It's got to be easy. Everything's got to be easy.
Right.
I can be I can sit in my recliner and access every device at my home. So
right.
That's the way the world is going, making things easy and
convenient.
Convenience is the huge thing. It's not always. It's really changed for us. In the past, we've always had to get a cable to everything, and you can really see the transition of everything going to a wireless world. I mean, everything you have is going to be wireless eventually.
Right. And so you guys have these plume devices. So explain what those are.
Plumes are just small routers that mesh together to connect throughout your home. So if you have a multi-level home, you can put a couple on each floor just to make sure you have complete wireless connectivity all over your home.
Right. And that's not just like your computers and devices, but like printers are wireless now too.
Yeah, printers, your thermostat, lights. There's so many things that are just wireless nowadays.
Right.
The good thing on those plumes is you can really see the wireless footprint, and you can have multiple devices. You can hook up a super pod, and you can hook up a plume to extend your network. And you can really see a footprint as far as what wireless devices are using.
Right. And so you can have like a number of users and a number of devices too. They can handle a large quantity.
The plumes are a really, really nice wireless gateway. We're getting a lot of positive feedback. You have capabilities of suspending internet access. Your son's in the room, he's not getting his homework done, you can kill his internet. You can say, okay, nice. Johnny, no more internet for 30 minutes until your homework's done.
Nice. All right.
There's a lot of good parental controls. The plumes have been a big success for us, and we've had a lot of positive feedback on them.
Awesome. So what about, setup and maintenance? Is it cheaper?
Yeah. We rent them for $9.95 a month, and it's just pretty much maintenance free. They auto-update themselves. It normally does it about 2 in the morning just so there's no inconvenience. Doesn't take you offline.
Nice.
And you don't really much plug it in and forget about it.
Okay. And so another big thing about that is because, you won't have to be drilling any holes in walls or ceilings and floors as well.
No, you just plug the first plume in from the modem into the plume, and then the other one wirelessly into the wall.
Okay, awesome. And then, people can be think that maybe wireless. How secure is it?
We strongly recommend using a secured network, using a password that's no one's going to see. The problem is you're responsible for your network.
Right.
If you're not using security, then that's on you.
Yeah.
I mean, anybody pulling your driveway, use your network, you're responsible for that service. So always, always, always secure your network.
Okay. Yeah, good to know. And you guys are doing a giveaway?
We are. We're doing a giveaway right now. It's a $100 Visa gift card. All you have to do is go to allwest.com/giveaway. And we've been doing these tech talks, and it's kind of a little incentive as far as getting this out there, and it's allwest.com/giveaway. I'm not really sure when they're doing the drawing. I don't have that information.
Okay.
But it'll be a $100 gift card. Spend it anywhere you want.
Okay. Well, and so if people are looking for service, if they have any questions, how can they get a hold of you guys?
866 All West or allwest.com, and obviously social media, All West Communications. And that's 866-255-9378.
Awesome. Okay, and you can see any of the specials or deals that you guys have coming up. You guys got this 1 month free and a free install.
We're doing depending on speeds, there's different tiers as far as how many months free, install free.
Okay.
Every quarter we're running different promos, and they've been pretty good promos, really trying to push the internet. So.
Gotcha. Okay, well, Brian and Brian, thank you again for talking with me today, and we'll be talking to you guys again.
Sounds great.
All right, you're welcome. Okay, that was our Tech Talk, All West Communications, and so thanks for those guys. And once again, they're doing a giveaway, a $100 Visa gift card. So just go to allwest.com/giveaway to see how you can win that.